When it comes to enhancing your Southlake home's exterior, few things can create a more inviting and appealing atmosphere than landscape lighting. Properly illuminated gardens, pathways, and architectural features not only boost your home's curb appeal but also extend the usability of your outdoor spaces into the evening hours. However, with the rising concern over energy consumption and environmental impact, many homeowners are turning to energy-efficient landscape lighting solutions. In this article, we'll explore some of the best energy-efficient landscape lighting options for Southlake homeowners looking to illuminate their outdoor spaces without inflating their electricity bills. These solutions will help you enjoy a beautifully lit home while keeping your energy usage low. LED landscape lighting. One of the most popular energy-efficient lighting options available today is LED landscape lighting. LEDs, light-emitting diodes, consume significantly less power compared to traditional incandescent or halogen bulbs while providing the same, or even better, brightness. In fact, LED lights use up to 75% less energy and can last up to 25 times longer than their incandescent counterparts. For homeowners in Southlake, LED landscape lights offer a range of benefits. Longevity. LEDs last much longer than other bulbs, meaning you won't have to replace them as frequently, reducing waste and maintenance costs. Low power consumption. LED lights are designed to be energy efficient, allowing you to light up your yard, pathways, or garden with minimal impact on your energy bills. Variety of styles. From pathway lights to spotlights and floodlights, LED lights come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, offering plenty of flexibility for homeowners to customize their outdoor spaces. The initial investment in LED lighting may be higher than traditional lighting, but the long-term savings in energy costs and replacements make it a wise choice for those wanting both style and sustainability. Solar-powered landscape lighting. For an even more sustainable option, solar-powered landscape lighting is a great choice. These lights harness the power of the sun during the day, storing energy in built-in batteries, and automatically illuminate your outdoor spaces at night. The fact that solar lights require no electricity makes them a zero-cost, eco-friendly option. Solar lights are perfect for homeowners in Southlake who want to reduce their environmental footprint. They come in various styles, including garden lights to highlight your flower beds or landscaping, string lights for a soft, magical touch along fences or trees, security lights that automatically turn on when motion is detected, adding both convenience and protection. Solar-powered lights are easy to install, as they don't require wiring or complex setups. Simply place them in areas that receive adequate sunlight during the day, and they'll work automatically every evening, lighting your yard without any additional energy cost. Motion sensor lighting. Motion sensor lights are another energy-efficient landscape lighting solution that not only saves energy but also enhances the safety and security of your home. These lights only activate when motion is detected, so they aren't running continuously, ensuring that energy isn't wasted. Motion sensor lighting is perfect for lighting up areas like driveways, pathways, or entryways. Benefits of motion sensor landscape lighting include energy savings. Since the lights only turn on when necessary, you won't be wasting power on areas that don't require lighting. Enhanced security. Motion sensor lights can be a deterrent to intruders, illuminating dark areas around your home whenever someone approaches. Convenience. You won't have to worry about manually turning lights on or off. Motion sensor lights automatically do the work for you. Motion sensor lighting can be installed in areas such as porches, garages, or backyards, ensuring your home remains well lit only when needed. Low voltage lighting system. Another way to reduce energy consumption while lighting your landscape is by using low voltage lighting systems. Low voltage lighting uses transformers to reduce the electricity required for operation, making it an excellent energy efficient choice. These systems are perfect for lighting up walkways, gardens, trees, and architectural features around your home. With a low voltage system, you can use LED lights or halogen bulbs to further reduce energy usage. They also tend to be safer and easier to install, especially for homeowners who prefer DIY projects. Low voltage systems offer more flexibility in terms of installation and can be customized to suit various lighting needs. Dimmers and timers. For added control over your energy consumption, consider incorporating dimmers and timers into your landscape lighting setup. Dimmers allow you to adjust the brightness of your lights, so you can create the perfect ambiance while reducing energy use. Lowering the brightness when full illumination isn't necessary can significantly cut down on energy consumption. Timers help ensure that your lights aren't left on longer than needed. Set your outdoor lights to turn off after a certain period, so they don't run all night. Timers also help maintain consistency in your lighting schedule, ensuring that lights come on and off at the appropriate times without requiring constant manual adjustments. Sustainable lighting design. Incorporating energy-efficient landscape lighting into your Plano home doesn't just mean selecting the right products, it's also about thoughtful design. By considering how you position your lights, you can maximize their effectiveness while minimizing their energy usage. For example, use lights to highlight focal points like trees, statues, or architectural features rather than illuminating large areas unnecessarily. Opt for downlighting from trees or structures to create ambient lighting with fewer fixtures. Consider using pathway lights sparingly to mark key areas rather than lighting up entire yards. A well-planned lighting design not only saves energy but also adds a beautiful, functional touch to your landscape. Conclusion. Energy-efficient landscape lighting is a smart and sustainable choice for homeowners in Southlake looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Whether you opt for LED lights, solar-powered lights, motion sensor systems, or low-voltage setups, there are a variety of solutions that provide both style and energy savings. By selecting the right lighting and designing your setup thoughtfully, you can create a stunning outdoor atmosphere that is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and perfect for year-round enjoyment. Enjoy your well-lit landscape while contributing to a more sustainable future, one light at a time.